Okay.
Mm.
This is shape, rectangle. So to draw rectangle, I just press like, square. I just hold
Mm.
shift and bring here. So
Yeah.
from where this color came, from here. If I want to change this color, I can just double click and I can change here like
Mm.
this. If I want to remove the outline, see, this is outline, this is fill. So I need to select the outline like this first. Then there is no button, none. Select like this. So the outline will be deleted. Did you see the outline has been deleted, has been
Mm.
removed? Okay.
If I want without solid fill, just
Yeah, I'll tell you.
rectangle
Okay,
without a
rectangle,
fill,
only line,
without
only stroke.
uh,
Okay, I'll tell
without a
you.
fill.
Yeah. See, like this, you just before drawing, what you can do, click this front. Okay. When you click,
Mm-hmm.
choose this none.
None. Mm.
Yes. Now nothing.
Okay.
Nothing will fill. Now we want border. For that, you select border again. Then
Mm-hmm.
it comes front. But here we need some kind of color. Am I right? Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
So for that, double click, choose color. Maybe this one. Okay. Now if I draw, what will happen? Let's see. Like this. Without fill, it will come. Okay. So
Mm. Now again fill with the fill, solid fill.
yeah. Okay. If you want to fill, you want to draw again with fill. Now just click this one. Now see, this is fill or foreground. This is stroke.
Mm.
Okay. So here instead of none, you
Mm.
choose color.
Mm. Mm.
Then it will be changed. So when you draw, it will come with color like this.
Mm-hmm.
So everything is available here only. This is fill. This is stroke. You
Mm.
select you want fill or stroke. For example, I want fill, but I don't want to fill the fill. So click here, choose none
Mm.
like that. Okay, now
Mm.
the outside is there, but I don't want to see the outside. So I will just select like this. Then I choose some other color. Okay. But still it is none. So we should not keep none. We will need to remove this one like this. Then it will fill. Now it is white. So select anything like this we can. And
Mm.
let's increase the thickness. See, if you want to play with thickness, you need to click this border. Then what you can do, you can increase the thickness. Let's see from here. You see, now it is full.
Mm.
You want to change color, just double click and change color.